Hi everyone, I'm Ujjwal and you're watching Geek Yorker. In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix optimized battery charging option not enabling. So first up, open settings app on your iPhone. After that, go to battery. Now here, scroll down and click on charging. Here you will see if you want to enable optimized battery charging option, you can't do it because the option is grayed out. And the reason is you have enabled charging limit. So to turn on optimized battery charging, first you need to remove charging limit from your iPhone. And in order to do that, you need to first remove charging limit from your iPhone. Slide this slider below the charging limit all the way to 100%, and after that choose the option set limit to 100%, and that's it. After that, if the optimized battery charging toggle will enabled, then well and good. If not, then enable the toggle right to it, and that's it. So if this video helps you in any way, then do like it and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.